Yo, what up, YouTube? This is just a little quick video. Finally got the little overlay thing, the start button, and then the thing for right here. You know, I got it just a little Octane RT. It's not quite the same color as Octane Red, but it'll do, man. It looks good. It's red. You know, just a little simple mod for the dash and a little start button. So and then, you know, had to get a little decal on my Magic, bro. Gotta represent 407 Lando Magic. Been a fan since '89, day one. You know, that actually matches the paint pretty good, man. So that's going on the back window. And that's about it, man. Just a short little video. Just came in today. And you know, got this from a couple videos I had seen. You know, honestly, OCD, RP Productions, whole bunch of people went through rebadget.com. So, you know, that's where I got this from. I guess the guy's name is Nate, rebadget.com. And about it, man. Ordered it, came in today. About to put that on. And, you know, I'll make a little video of what it looks like at the end. But stay tuned. All right, over and out. What up, YouTube? Lil 8407. Just a quick video. That's what it looked like. You know, little red button. Got that put in. Easy. No need to record. Simple. We got that. Octane RT. You know, it's not the exact Octane red color, but still look pretty good. You know, the red button looking alright. Now, you know, got my little Magic decal in there. You see it? That little Magic. Yeah, that junk, you know, it ain't like burgundy, but it looks alright. And that's what that's looking like right there, man. Yep, just you know, little simple mods, man. Quick video. Octane RT Super Track Pack. Lil 847. Subscribe, holler. Lots of stuff coming, man. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned. Hit me up.